The industrial electrical instrumentation (IEI) industry is a diverse group of professionals who monitor, maintain, and repair electrical components, systems, and equipment. This field is comprised of several types of instruments that measure electrical resistance. Ohmmeters are used to measure the average power of an electrical circuit and are usually classified by their design into two basic types, series and shunt. These instruments can be used in many applications, from testing to troubleshooting, and include measuring devices such as voltmeters and ammeters. In addition to evaluating the accuracy of industrial electrical instruments, technicians are responsible for troubleshooting. The most common tasks involve checking process controls against customer purchase orders. These technicians must ensure that the instrument matches the purchase order and wasn't damaged during shipment. Other tasks include performing maintenance on industrial electrical instrumentation and performing diagnostics to ensure that it is functioning properly. The Industrial Electrical Instrumentation and Electrical Technician program is a rewarding career choice that can lead to employment in the local area. One of the most popular types of IET is the ammeter. The ammeter measures the current in amperes in a branch of an electric circuit. The ammeter is connected in series with the device being measured and must have a low resistance to avoid changing the value of the measured current. Microammeters are also available for measuring smaller currents. If you're unfamiliar with how to read an ammeter, the best way to get started is to read a manual. Another option for those who are interested in this field is to attend a trade school or college. The training for this field is extensive, and is usually geared toward those seeking jobs in this industry. Those who are interested in the field should have a strong understanding of machine operations and electronics. The job requires strong communication skills, as many electrical instruments are operated by computer software. Those with these skills should also be confident in writing, as they will be dealing with technical documents on a daily basis. Typically, the minimum educational requirement for a career in this field is a certificate in electrical instrumentation. There are community colleges that offer these programs as well. If you're interested in a more comprehensive degree, you might consider the Associate of Applied Science in Electrical and Instrumentation Technology. Both programs will teach you the basics of electrical instrumentation, as well as how to troubleshoot and maintain the systems that are installed. An electrical instrumentation technician is responsible for inspecting production equipment and repairing or replacing worn and damaged components. They analyze the features and schematics of each system component and write resolution reports. The job is a critical one for anyone who wants to stay on top of their field. If you're interested in this career, you should apply for an apprenticeship at a major industrial company. If you're considering working in this field, you'll need to have a background in mechanical equipment and electrical systems. A career in the industrial electrical instrumentation field can be a rewarding career. These professionals are responsible for troubleshooting, repair, and preventative maintenance of electrical equipment. They are also responsible for analyzing the performance of instruments and other types of instruments. During the startup phase, technicians will verify that all the controls function correctly and that the equipment is operating correctly. During the maintenance and repair of industrial instrumentation equipment, these professionals are required to follow specific protocols and guidelines set by the company. A multimeter is a device that is used to make various electrical measurements. A multimeter can measure AC voltage, DC current, resistance, and more. A multimeter can also check continuity. During the installation process, the technicians will check the EMFFF of two different cells. They will then compare the results. Afterward, they will check the resistance. During the calibration process, the technicians will test the system. An analog voltmeter is used to measure DC voltage. It is used to measure the potential of various materials. The voltage meter is an electrical device that can read both AC and DC current. Unlike an analog voltmeter, a digital voltmeter can measure both AC and DC voltage. Its measurement capabilities make it essential for manufacturing industries. However, a multimeter isn't the only instrument needed for this career.